इसको बेक करते हैं या मतलब
इसको पकाना पड़ता है ना पहले.
इसको उबालते हैं.
Keep watching this channel for open modak recipes.
Ta-da! No, it's still bad.
This is no longer a modak.
उकडीचे मोदक.
No.
उकडीचे मोदक. उकडीचे मोदक. उकडीचे मोदक.
Heard about it.
So what do you guys have generally during Ganpati?
we have छुट्टी.
So I'm a Tambram and actually we make exactly the modak, but it's called korakatte.
What are you kidding? Kodakatte. Kodakatte. Yeah. I'm like,
But otherwise,
we grew up saying Alapura.
If there was a North Indian city going here,
They couldn't.
would have
Not a
been
chance.
able to say korakatte.
Not a chance.
So what do you think is there in the dough, Meka? Now that you
Sugar.
cook, yeah.
That is not the dough, first of all. I was concentrating, so I didn't realize what you were saying.
Yeah, right.
In the dough, there's water
There's water in everything, in your body also.
and I don't know.
उसमें गुड़ है, जैगरी है और शक्कर है.
What is jaggery or ghee?
हाँ वही मतलब गुड़ that is
गुड़ है और शक्कर भी है.
हाँ शक्कर नहीं होता क्या?
You know, it looks sweet. It's got saffron and yeah, it looks pretty delicious.
Saffron, really?
Yeah, I think it's got like a rice coating and coconut filling inside, is it? Am I right?
Yeah, aren't we supposed to wet the hands?
पानी भी यूज करना है क्या?
अभी दिया होगा तो शायद करना होगा.
इसमें आठ डाल.
नहीं तो पैर डालेगी.
You're not supposed to keep it down.
Yeah.
I'm going to surprise all of y'all with my modak.
You think he's gonna
You're making a paratha with that. I don't know.
No, it's done, bro. You just getting little performance anxiety.
ये क्या किया है तूने?
You need some cement there.
Take some.
This is probably the most frustrating thing ever.
अबे यार.
See, this is how you do it.
It's like
I think he's made a replica of me and I've made a replica of
This is momos.
So this is an open modak.
It looks like that
Alright.
dart. वो फेंकते ना. I think I'll rate Sharik -10 on this.
What's
The
mine?
worst
It's
thing
not
you've
even a
done in
real.
your life.
It's not even a real number.
Yes.
शर्म आ रही है तेरे को उसके साइड में अपना मोदक. See, this is reject -2 out of 10.
Dude, these are like at least 7.5. This is at least an 8.5. This is as good as this.
This is
one.
not acceptable.
It is very difficult, yaar. I thought it will be easy, but then बहुत difficult है.
I believe that nothing in life is difficult. And
It is.
Very difficult.
It is difficult. It's very difficult.
You should have given a bail.
Yeah.
If I had to make one modak, I would say it's not difficult. But if I have to make 10, I am not making.
But I think you're gonna learn by the time till you're making 10. You'll figure it out yourself.
So I think anyone who makes this deserves an award for the sheer effort, for their sheer creativity.
Bye.